Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Behind me here we have the Jayco Journey 1961-3 Outback. Let's go have a look. Nothing beats a hot shower after a long day on the road, and our Nautilus hot water service will allow us to have those hot showers and get the family ready for bed of a night time. So to operate the Nautilus instant hot water service, turn it on. Now you've got over here on your right hand side your up and down buttons for your temperature. So set the desired temperature and then we can turn the tap on, and then your hot water service will kick in and heat your hot water. And that's how the Nautilus hot water service will assist you and your family stay clean on your next adventure. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.